Hi everyone, let's take up a question from JE Advanced 2025. A circuit with an electrical load having impedance Z is connected with an AC source as shown in the diagram. The source voltage varies as V equal to 300 sin 400 T volt. List 1 shows various options for the load. The possible currents in the circuit as a function of time are given in the list 2. Let us take up the first one. In this case, circuit contains only resistor. So this is a purely resistive circuit and current would be in phase with the voltage. So phase difference is 0 and amplitude of current I naught is equal to V naught upon R. V naught is given to us 300 volt and resistance is 30. So I naught is equal to 10 ampere. So maximum current is 10 ampere and current is in phase with the voltage. So in this case current is in phase with the voltage and amplitude of current is 10 ampere. So this matches with it. This is number 3. Let us take up the next one. In this case circuit contains one resistor and one inductor. So impedance of the circuit will be equal to root of R square plus omega L whole square. Let us put the values. R is 30, omega is 400, inductance is 100 millihenry, so this is equal to root of 30 square plus 40 square. So Z is equal to 50 ohm. Therefore amplitude of current will be equal to V naught upon impedance of the circuit. V naught is 300 volt and the impedance is 50. So this is 6 ampere. Now let us find out the phase difference. Since the circuit contains resistor and inductor only, so current will lag the voltage and cos phi is equal to R upon Z. R is 30 and impedance is 50. So cos phi is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore phi is approximately equal to 53 degree. Therefore amplitude of current is 6 ampere and current lags the voltage by 53 degree. So let us find out the correct match. In this case, the amplitude of current is 6 ampere and current lags the voltage. So this is the correct match. Number 5. Let us take up the next one. In this case, circuit contains one resistor, one capacitor and one inductor as well. Let us find out impedance of the circuit. This is equal to root of R square plus XC minus XL whole square. Let us put the values. resistance is 30, Xc is 1 upon omega c. Omega is 400 and capacitance is 50 microfarad. 50 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 minus omega L. Omega is 400. Inductance is 25 millihenry. 25 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is equal to root of 30 square plus this is 50 and this is 10. So in this case Xc is equal to 50 and XL is 10 and the impedance of the circuit is 50 ohm. Therefore amplitude of the current is V naught upon Z and this will be equal to 300 upon 50 and this is 6 ampere. Let us now find out the phase difference. In this case Xc is greater than XL. So current will lead the voltage and phase difference tan phi would be equal to Xc minus XL upon resistance. This is equal to 40 upon 30. So tan phi is equal to 4 upon 3. This gives us phi equal to approximately 53 degree. So amplitude of the current is 6 ampere and current leads the voltage by 53 degree. So let us find out the correct match. In this case amplitude of the current is 6 ampere and current leads the voltage. So this is the correct match. Number 2. Let us move to the next one. In this case circuit contains one resistor, one capacitor and one inductor. So let us find out the impedance of the circuit. This will be equal to root of R square plus Xc minus XL whole square. Let us put the values. This will give us Z equal to root of resistance is 60, Xc is 1 upon omega c, omega is 400 and capacitance is 50 microfarad. 50 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Omega L, omega is 400 and inductance is 125 millihenry. So 125 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. So this is equal to root of 60 square this is 50 and this is also 50. So reactance of the circuit is 0. So impedance Z is equal to resistance of the circuit. So that means current is in phase with the voltage. Let us find out I naught. This will be equal to V naught upon Z. Z is same as resistance in this case. So this is 300 upon 60 and this is equal to 5 ampere. So let us find out the correct match for it. Amplitude of current is 5 ampere and current is in phase with the voltage. In this case, amplitude of current is 5 ampere and current is in phase with the voltage. So this is the correct match. Therefore, out of these options, option A is correct. Alright, thank you very much.